Guys, it's YouTube Brothers here, so today we're gonna
do really awesome explosion.
Yeah.
These things and water.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
We have water over here to over this side.
So this is gonna explode.
Okay. Okay, this is really dangerous, kids. Don't try this at
Yeah,
home.
don't try this at home because
When I was a kid, I just tried this and this just go like and then
yeah, it hurted
so.
a lot.
3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, move out, and here we go. So, can you just please zoom in? Please. Yes. No.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
No. It's gonna explode. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And now just go again. Just gonna try another one.
So the scary thing is because you don't know where it's gonna explode. So, all right, back up, back up.
3, 2, 1. Can you just please explode? Okay.
Oh, that was close, man.
Yeah.
So
Okay, just another.
just another one.
So, okay, this is the last one, but I'm just gonna try really
Yeah.
hard. So,
And don't try this at home.
Okay, this
It's
is-
very dangerous.
this is the hardest one. I mean, the dangerous.
It isn't that dangerous, but it's like if you're doing this on wood floor or something like that.
It's not gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is gonna explode hard.
Oh, nice.
I sound like this.
That was a nice explosion.
Okay, so
Now we're gonna eat this.
no, we're it's on the floor.
Like the only thing I can see it's a blue light, and I can see something
I'll
there.
just throw this. Oh.
So yeah, okay, we're gonna end this video here.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe. Oh my
It's gonna kill me.
God, what happened?
Look at this. It's not what else. I just threw it over there.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, everything, comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.